Today we'll be talking about 3D resources for designers. But as usual, before we get into that, welcome back to WebNG, where we learn all things design together. If you're coming across this page for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you back. Mastering 3D designs is not just beneficial, it's essential. In this video, I'll be sharing 3D resources that will let you create your 3D designs from scratch and also let you pick from existing designs. The first on our list is Blender. Blender is an open source 3D software that is perfect for a wide range of people. It's completely free and you can do a lot with it. It's good for animation, for sculpting, for modeling, for story artists, for VFX, and so much more. Blender is filled with extensive feature set and intuitive interface. It empowers designers to bring their ideas to life in stunning 3D details. The next is Sketchfab. Sketchfab is not completely free. They have the free version and the paid version. This particular toolkit is a treasure store for 3D models. It's filled with several resources created by artists and designers from around the world. Sketchfab has a library of assets that we designers can use as inspiration to enhance our own projects. It also has downloadable pre-made assets, and we can also upload and showcase our own 3D designs. The last on our list is Humans. I'm personally in love with this particular one, but it's actually not free. This software has a playful, intuitive, and an accommodating interface. You feel the need to want to be on the website for a long time. At least that's how I feel. It's called a 3D pack for a reason. It's filled with several characters and animations that you can purchase and use in your mobile and web designs. You can also customize them to fit your design needs. So if you don't mind spending a couple of dollars, this is something you should definitely check out. So there you have it. That's all I have for you today. If you are still watching, thanks for sticking with us to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you've not subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you guys soon. Bye.